Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So this is the Poco M3. Yeah, so this is the new Poco M3. Can I say is underpriced? We'll get to know that in the in-depth review, but before we know that, let's see what comes in the box. And while you are here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So opening the box, you get a box containing the paperwork, the case and the SIM injector tool, and here is the phone itself. Also in the box we get a USB type A to type C charging cable and a 18 watts power brick, and that's all in the box. Now let's get into the main attraction, which is the phone. It comes with a slot for 2 SIM cards and a memory card, which is expandable up to 256GB, as you can see in this video. Now let's see how well the case fits. Man, this case really gave me tough time putting it in. I wonder why it was made like that, so tight. I was finally able to put it in after some minutes. So let's boot the phone. The phone is on now, and it asks us to read some novels, terms and conditions. I wonder who reads it. Agree and continue. So I'll try and make this process faster so as not to make this video too long. Just a second, that's what they always say, and it's always taking more than a minute. So I'm setting the password now, and I'm going to test how fast the fingerprint is. Finally, setup complete. So here is the video showing how fast the fingerprint is. As you can see, it's less than a second. Very fast. The Poco M3 back is made of plastic, which doesn't collect much fingerprints, and the part with the Poco brand is made of glass, also with the camera part. The top contains a speaker grill, a 3.5mm jack port, and a microphone. The side contains the fingerprint reader, which also doubles as the power button. It contains the volume rocker. Now let's get into the camera review. Now this is the video recorded from the selfie camera of the Poco M3. And this is the video recorded from the back camera of the Poco M3. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful shots from the Poco M3. So back to the phone. The two speakers on this phone get really loud, so here is the sound from both speakers. So that's it. And the 6000 mAh on this phone is great. It lasts up to 7 hours of screen on time. And the disadvantage is that I can't edit 180p videos on Cammaster, which is bad for small creators like us. So to my conclusion, the Poco M3 is a great device, but it's neither bad nor the mid-range type of device like the Note 9X and the likes. But it's great for the type of people it means for, e.g. the type of people that use social media, Twitter, WhatsApp and the likes. And you can also use it for gaming. I mean games that are not heavy, because the processor is not the high-end type. It's only good for games like Subway Surf, Temple Run and the likes. Comparing this phone with the Redmi 9T, which has the same spec on paper as the Poco M3. So I appreciate if you watched to this point of the video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can get to others. So this is Olax. See you guys in the next video.